So you explained to us pretty much why you chose Invisalign, but what's the real beauty behind this technology?
Well, Invisalign was a system just like any other orthodontic system. It moves teeth. Now the beauty of Invisalign was it was virtually invisible. Now look, I'm actually wearing an Invisalign brace and you probably can't see it at all. It's an upper brace and I thought, well, this is a fantastic way for me to change people's smiles, change people's lives without damaging their teeth. I slept better at night knowing I hadn't damaged someone's teeth. So Invisalign to me was the market leader in clear removable aligners, and it was the first one on the market, to be honest with you, that actually provided removable plastic aligners. Now, Align technology was roughly set up about 10 years ago. The company raised $2.7 billion on the stock market for investment. Now that to me means there's a lot of investment in research, development and technology. So with Invisalign I'm paying for the best system in the world. I've done over 670 cases. I've probably finished about 550 of those cases already. I can count about 2 patients, 3 patients out, well, let's call it 10 patients out of 550 patients that either never completed their treatment, were somewhat dissatisfied with the end result, and it's usually one tooth. And it's usually where the patient hasn't been wearing the brace. So to me, Invisalign is a fantastic, guaranteed system